Hi friends, welcome to my channel Job Updates by Varma. You will get all the latest updates about every jobs in my channel, and I will post latest news of every job for all sector like government sector, private sector, engineering sector as well as PSU jobs also. Stay tuned with my channel. Please subscribe my channel to get latest news. So today I am going to discuss about detailed notification which has been come from Vodafone Group, and they are doing off-campus hiring for the freshers for the post of operation engineer, and the qualification is required for the BE and BTech for this particular job post. So watch this video till end. I will discuss everything about how to apply and what will be the eligibility and how to send the application. Those all things will be discussed in this video. Please watch the video till end, and if you have come first time in my channel, please subscribe my channel and like this video. So let's start this video. So you can see the notification has published by the Vodafone, and they are hiring for the post of operation engineer, and the position is B and BTech. So you can see the experience needed is freshers, and work location will be across India. So you can apply for this job anywhere from India, and the job responsibilities will be you need to support the team members, and you need to advise and execute the administrative executives and activities. Also you need to perform assigned tasks in line with process, ensure customer SLA delivery, deliver tasks related to customer service assurance, supports and contributes to consolidation to service assurance function for IT and networks, understand the need and contributes to ensuring actions and escalations are routed and highlighted as necessary. So these the things you need to do as a job responsibilities, and your skills need to be have experience or concept about network access technology, monitor and diagnose, monitor and network security. You need to have skills of DevOps and cloud, service and delivery management concept, automation and robotics concept in you, so that it is easier for you to understand the job profile perfectly. So this is the latest notification. You need to apply before the link expire. So this is latest notification, and it is published today itself. So you can see it is published on September 10th 2020, and from this apply link you need to click on apply. I will give the application link in my description box of this video, so that you will directly apply from there. So it is directly opening to the level 1 operation engineer career page of Vodafone. So you can see the job is given here. You need to click on apply now here. Just go through the notification once again in their official website. You need to see that this is full-time job and permanent job, and what will be your description, job responsibilities, all is given here, the same as previous one I have already discussed with you. So you just need to click on apply now from here. Then the application form will be open to you, and if you have existing account, then you need to sign in there. Otherwise you need to create an account. Just clicking on create an account, the form will be open to you. You need to provide your email address, retype your email address, choose a password, and it should be 8 characters long, and it must have a uppercase character, lowercase character, special character should not be there, and it must contain at least one number. Okay, so you need to retype the password here, your first name, last name, country, and if you need only recruiters will see your profile, then choose the option from here. Then you need to create your account. After creating your account, you need to you will get the registration number, and then you will need to sign in from there and just apply for this job. Okay, so this is the brief notification, and a huge opportunity, because Vodafone is a huge company also in telecom industry. So don't waste your time. If you are getting this knowledge, or if you are getting this information currently, then apply for this job. And you know that recently Vodafone and Idea have been converged to a single company. This is known as VI. So they are recruiting for that new company. Okay, so it is a huge opportunity for all the freshers. Let's jump into this and apply for this job. It will give a huge career experience to you. All the best. If you think this is applicable to you, please apply it. And before leaving my video, please subscribe my channel and please like the video. Thank you. So we will meet in next video. Goodbye friends.